The Fox and the Crow. One day a hungry crow was looking for something to eat. She found a piece of cheese and settled on the branch of a tree to eat it. But a fox saw the crow. He was hungry too and wanted the piece of cheese for himself. So he walked up to the root of the tree and spoke to the crow. "Oh, my dear crow, how beautiful you are! How glossy your feathers, how bright your eyes! Surely you have a sweet voice. Can I hear you sing a song for me?" The crow felt proud on hearing this, and Dakin took her best. But the moment she opened her mouth, the piece of cheese fell down to the ground. The fox snapped it up and, laughing, said to the crow, "Thank you, that was all I wanted. In exchange for your cheese, I will give you a piece of advice. Do not trust flatterers.